How to make money from your blog. When it comes to monetizing your blog, there is no shortage of options available to you. From AdSense to other sponsor-based and advertising networks, to adding in affiliate products so that each time a visitor reads an article posted on your blog, you can push related products through your affiliate link. To start, you should focus on a blend of both highly targeted advertisements and affiliate products. As your blog grows, you can continue to monetize it using alternative options, including direct paid sponsors, and even being paid for reviewing websites and product launches. When it comes to Google AdSense, you want to make sure that you customize the ad blocks that appear on your website so that they match the look and feel of your existing theme. You also need to pay attention when choosing the types of advertisements that will appear on your blog, focusing on the actual ad networks and channels so that you can monitor your progress, tweaking the ads if you need to, in order to maximize their exposure. With Google AdSense, you are paid either by CPM or CPC, depending on the actual advertisement type you choose. When registering for a Google AdSense account, your website will need to be manually approved by Google before you are able to begin featuring advertisements on it. It usually takes less than 3 days to be approved. However, in order to create your account, you will be required to have an existing Google-related account, such as Gmail or Orkut. Choosing ad sizes. I find the large square ads tend to get the most clicks. I usually use the 250 by 250 square ads, or the 300 by 250 medium rectangle. However, the larger 336 by 280 large rectangle ad size, if you have the space on your site to fit such a large advertisement block. Regardless of the sizes you choose, you should make sure that one of your advertisement blocks appears in the top fold of your blog's theme, so it is attached to every page on your site. If you have a very large sidebar, one of the square or rectangle ads may fit and are great for filling in space, with text wrapping around them. Try these ads within the body content itself for best results. This placement is one of the highest converting AdSense placements available. You might be able to place the 728 by 90 leaderboard ad at the top or bottom of your blog. This is a great ad size to use if your theme can easily be altered to accept this ad size. In your sidebar, there are a few options you can choose. You can use one or more of the 125 by 125 button ads. You could also use one of the skyscraper ads. These are the tall, thin banners that come in 120 by 600 and 160 by 600. The 160 by 600 will probably get more clicks out of these two skyscraper ads, but it may not fit in your sidebar. The 468 by 60 ad size is generally thought of as being an inferior ad type because of the fact that people have become banner blind to anything this size on a web page. Personally, this size works well for me when placed at the bottom of each post. You should test the different size options on your blog, making sure that your advertisements don't take away from the content of your site itself and will not distract potential visitors. My personal top-performing AdSense ads. 1. 336 by 280, 300 by 250, and 250 by 250 rectangles in line with the content, on the left at the top of every post with the text wrapping around it. 2. 728 by 90 leaderboard at the top or bottom of the blog, and 3. A 160 by 600 skyscraper in the sidebar. Make sure there are never more than 3 content ads per page. It's against the AdSense TOS to have more than 3 of these ads on any given page. A useful plugin that helps you manage your advertisements, ensuring that you never break AdSense TOS, is available with AdSense Deluxe. It will even allow you to make global changes to your AdSense ads, so if you need to change colors or sizes, you can simply do so in the admin area and the changes will be site-wide. When choosing your AdSense ad block color scheme, match the colors and blend in the ads so that they aren't intrusive, and integrate with your existing theme. There is an alternative to Google AdSense that you might want to consider as well, available through the AdBright network. AdBright offers a smaller variety of advertising channels. However, it's a great way to set up your own price structure based on the exposure and space that you are able to offer to potential advertisers. Burst Media, available at burstmedia.com, is yet another option to consider, offering a rather large community of potential advertisers to choose from. However, their requirements are strict in terms of the quality of websites and blogs that are allowed to participate in their network. In some cases, you will need to first establish consistent traffic to your website prior to signing up for their advertising service. Chitika. Chitika is a very popular advertising channel for bloggers, and you can explore their options at their website, chitika.com, as is Contera, that offers the flexibility of on-site advertisements as well as exit pop-ups. Visit Contera.com for details. Here are a few other advertising resources that I have personally used to quickly monetize my blog's ad space. AdAgency1.com. AdAgency1 connects advertisers with publishers. This is definitely not for low-traffic blogs. Blogs are subject to approval. In addition, the blogger must own the domain. They have limited general categories and are geared more toward business and industry. They pay CPM at 70%. Pogads.com. Pogads is a viable alternative to Google AdSense. It offers a lot of the same features as AdSense. Pogads is non-selective on the type of blogs that it will advertise on. They pay via pay-per-click. Paypopup.com. The pay is CPM and 5% of referrals incomes. Oxado.com. Oxado provides ads from well-known names. They have ad matching for geographic locations and non-English phrases. They allow switching from text ads to graphic ads and back again to help maximize ad revenue. Hyperbidder.com. Hyperbidder is an auction website that connects advertisers to publishers. The service is free to publishers. They offer video ads and the support to establish them on the blog. This only works with blogs that have the capacity for video ads and may not work for bloggers who post on a service. Check with the blog service requirements before attempting this service. They pay PPC. AzoogleAds.com. Azoogle ads have a large base of well-known companies. Bloggers are subject to approval, and all information is verified by telephone. Applications that cannot be verified by telephone are denied. It can take up to 2 weeks to receive a reply. They have a good support system, and ads can be placed immediately after approval. They pay by CPM. TextLinkAds.com. With TextLink ads, you feature groups of advertisements on your blog in a similar method that you do with AdSense. You are paid every time a visitor clicks on a link, regardless if they purchase anything from the advertiser or not. Once you have determined the advertising network that you are going to integrate into your blog, be sure to add at least 2 to 3 ad blocks along the right navigation menu, as well as within the actual content itself. You can continue to implement advertising as you fill your blog with fresh content and develop your overall structure and categorization. Next, we are going to add in affiliate products based on the networks and marketplaces you have previously evaluated when choosing your niche. You want to make sure to balance out the amount of fresh content that you feature on your blog with the advertising and affiliate products that you use. Remember, you want people to return to your blog as a source of high-quality content, not to feel as though your website is one large advertisement. Finally, there are additional methods of monetizing your blog apart from traditional advertising networks and affiliate products, and that is with blog-specific networks, including the following. WidgetBucks at widgetbucks.com. WidgetBucks integrates WordPress, Blogger, Typepad, and movable type. Just sign up and add the widget to your blog. AdBright at adbright.com. AdBright is a popular advertising service that enables people who visit your blog to purchase advertising space from you. ValueClick at valueclick.com. ValueClick offers a wide variety of advertising services that enable bloggers to earn money from visitors who click on their site ads. Bidvertiser at bidvertiser.com. Bidvertiser enables bloggers to earn money by adding a Bidvertiser widget, ad box, to their website. Since Bidvertiser is a cost-per-click advertising system, bloggers generate revenue from visitor clicks. Fido at fido.com. Fido pays you to place ads in your syndicated content. They use their in-house RSS ad server to deliver ads alongside your content. Clicksor at clicksor.com. Clicksor will pay bloggers up to 60% of all advertising revenue generated in exchange for placing contextual ads on blog pages. Tribal Fusion at tribalfusion.com. Vibrant Media at vibrantmedia.com. RevResponse at revresponse.com. You can also choose to jumpstart your blog by accepting blog-based assignments and projects. Also a great way to begin generating traffic to your blog. Here are a few resources that I have been successful with, and other places you may want to take a look through. blogjobs.biz, onlinewritingjobs.com, freelanceswitch.com, ifreelance.com, monster.com, blogger.com, and aboutfreelancing.com. Simply Hired at simplyhired.com. Simply Hired is a job search site in which bloggers can search specifically for blogging jobs. It is not as straightforward a connection, but there are numerous jobs posted. Jobster at jobster.com. Jobster is a more general job search site, but a number of blogger jobs are available for application. They are listed from the most recent. They have a smaller listing of jobs available. And finally, Blogger Jobs at bloggerjobs.com. This is a job search site that specializes in blog-based freelance projects. They have a long list of well-known clients.